Hi, my name is Ali. I like to know the secret behind everything.
Oh yeah! बच गया!
There are 5 kingdoms of life, but the largest and most fascinating is the animal kingdom.
Where could this voice be coming from?
Wow! Yeah! Animal kingdom, huh?
Huh? My clothes, they've changed. Where am I? Is this a jungle? And that voice, where is it coming from? Oh no, a lion! Somebody help me!
You are human! What are you doing here?
Didn't you study carefully in class? Humans also live in this kingdom.
Wow! This place is so beautiful!
Child, how did you reach our kingdom?
I was following my
In a kingdom far away lived a brave young boy and a beautiful princess.
The princess leaves the castle, her horse eager and lively suddenly dashes into the forest. The young man gently takes the horse back to home. The horse was hers, the princess's most loyal companion, now lost in the wild. He took the princess's horse to his home and tied it gently with a rope. Climbs the stairs to his room. Plays a soothing tune on his flute before drifting off to SL.
She must be worried that tomorrow I will go back to the owner.
Next morning, the horse, as if guided by. The princess's eyes light up with joy as she runs to her horse, hopping onto its back. That day marked the beginning of John and the princess's love.
The forest side with golden light, a gentle breeze danced through the trees. My heart was quiet, just like the sky. Ooh, yeah. Till I saw you standing there with
must leave your palace now.
When will we meet again?
Finally, they found love.
The secrets of this forest are ancient, Ali, and some can only be seen when you truly believe.
Sometimes, the biggest adventures begin with a simple smile. Let's see where the magic map takes me next.
In this jungle, I found more than animals. I found a friend. A friend who